Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about 3 amazing Canva tricks you need to know. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Here we are on this canva.com and let me just create a design. Click on create design and let us just choose what kind of design we want to create. Let's say that I want to create some thumbnail, and once it gets loaded, let me choose some thumbnail. Let's say that I want to go for this, so I want to share this particular design. So let's say that I have created this design, I have made some changes to this pictures and the text and all. Let's say that this is my final design. Let's say that you want to share this to your phone. How can you do this? So you can directly do it by clicking on share and going to the more. So in the more option you have this send to phone option. So once you click on this, you can scan this QR code directly on your phone so that you can share more easily on your phone. And you can even just choose, like, do you want to send it to your email, or you want to just display the QR code. You can choose any of this so that you can easily send it to your phone once you have completed this editing of this particular design on your PC. And now we'll be just seeing how you can find a text. Let's say that you are having a PDF or many pages on this Canva design. You want to find some particular text. How can you do this? You just need to go to this file, click on this file section, and here you can just find scroll down so that you can find this find and replace text option, or you can use Ctrl plus F for this. Click on this, and here you can see this box where it is asking you to give the text for the find. So let me just give, I want to look for the text that is expect, and I want to replace it with imagine. Okay, so I want to replace it with imagine, and I can just replace this. So here you can see that this got replaced. So this is our second trick, and the third trick comes out to be, so let's say that you want to know how many words we are having on some particular word. So like, let me just check the number of the word. Let's give it to be something like this and click on match case. So here you can see that we are having one this, and if I add one more this over here like this, so it is showing us 1 by 2. So this shows that we are having two this text in our particular design. So these are the three tricks that you can use while you're using the Canva. This can make your design much better, like easier to share and find your text. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.